如果使用 SIM 卡 here， 那么呢就需要接到4G 的天线 2。OK， 我们来演示一遍。OK， here， here， OK， 2。双天线对于网络有着很好的信号强度，所以建议使用 4G 天线。OK，Here， 桌印的5G WiFi 天线。Here， OK，GPS 天线。GPS， AR camera， here， AR camera， big camera， here， here power， OK， 这里有2个备用的卡扣 display。Sorry， microphone here， HDMI USB OTG USB radio power OK， USB cable OK， 我们来开一下机。贝壳 camera CCD OK， here 安卓的 AR camera 30 display here power oh no 已经打开了，现在开始 AR camera here big camera here big camera
Of that, can I have to stop you because we are hearing from President Trump now. By the way, he's speaking in front of several auto racing champions of 2024. Let's listen.
to us on trade, not only with, if you look at it, not only with China, but China was by far the biggest abuser in history. And
Well, we're just getting some breaking news here, actually. The Finance Ministry has just made an announcement that remember there were 34% tariffs on all US goods coming into China. That's now been increased to 84%. And
Google Maps. Here, Wi-Fi. Here.
Donald Trump's new economic world order is taking shape as his so-called reciprocal tariffs on 60 countries, which the US president calls the worst offenders, have just kicked in. Top of the president's economic hit list is China. Its exporters are now grappling with tariffs of 104% on their goods after Beijing refused to back down from its own retaliatory measures.
Now, just a few minutes before we came on air, a sudden social media post from Donald Trump turned all his